Understanding job rotation, a key to versatile skill sets. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a concept that's becoming increasingly important in the modern workplace: job rotation. If you're looking to add more skills to your resume or simply want to understand how businesses operate, this video is for you. Let's explore what job rotation means and how it can benefit both employees and employers. Job rotation is a method used by organizations where employees are moved between two or more jobs at regular intervals. This practice is designed to expose workers to different experiences and wider skill sets. It's like taking a tour of various departments within a company, which helps in building a better understanding of how the company works as a whole. There are several benefits to job rotation for both the employee and the employer. Employees gain diverse skills and experiences, which can enhance their resumes and make them more adaptable workers. For employers, this can lead to more flexible job roles and a workforce that can better handle changes and fill in gaps when needed. Implementing job rotation requires careful planning. Companies need to set clear objectives, choose the right employees for rotation, and ensure that there is adequate training. The goal is to make the transition as smooth as possible while maximizing learning opportunities. While job rotation has many advantages, there are also challenges to consider. These can include employee resistance to change, the cost of training for new roles, and potential disruption to work if not managed properly. It's important for companies to address these challenges head-on to reap the full benefits of job rotation. Job rotation is a powerful tool for professional development and organizational growth. We hope this video has shed light on the concept and inspires you to consider the possibilities it offers. Whether you're an employee looking to expand your horizons or an employer aiming to enhance your team's capabilities, job rotation can be a step towards a more dynamic and competent workplace. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore this exciting concept further.